Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today, before starting the actual video, I wanted to thank you because finally I reached my goal of 1,000 subscribers. That it is a lot for me actually, and I know it isn't a big milestone like 10,000 or maybe 100,000 and stuff like that, but it is a small goal that it was very important for me. And so thank you for helping me out to reach this goal. And if you are here on this channel before 1,000 subscribers, just type a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button down below. But now, without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So today we're not gonna talk about some piece of tech in particular. So we're not talking about of a smartphone or a computer or stuff like that, but we are talking about a brand that I actually loved since this year. I mean, not that now I hate it, but it is causing some problems. And in this video, we are gonna talk about all these problems. So I am talking about, of course, of Xiaomi. And in the last few years, I've had always a Xiaomi phone with me. And so in a way, I just fell in love for Xiaomi. So actually I had my last 3 phones that were from Xiaomi and I didn't have pretty much any problem at all. Still, I have my Xiaomi Mi 11 right now and I don't have any problem, but I'm starting to feel some problems. And this is just because you know that Xiaomi has 2 markets. So one in China and one of course in the other countries. So they have like a China version of their phones, of their softwares, and they have a global version of this too. But here actually comes the problem, in my opinion. And this video, it is all my opinion. I don't know if it's like that or maybe if it's not like that, but this is my opinion and I want to share it here on my channel. And so the problem is that they have really a lot of devices, because they have actually a lot of devices from Xiaomi itself, and then they have some sub brands like Realme and stuff like that, and also Poco. So they have like an enormous variety of smartphones. And I think this is a problem when it comes to updates and optimization of the smartphones, because as I saw in the latest update, so the MIUI 13, I made 2 videos about the MIUI 13 on this channel, and if you want to check them out, you can go through my channel, you will find them because they are the latest videos. And in the comments, I received a lot of complaints about Xiaomi that they didn't update it yet their devices, and also updating to MIUI 13 causing them a lot of problem, a lot of issue, errors, crashes, bugs, and system slowdowns. And right now the update has been out for like a few days, maybe some weeks, and Xiaomi still didn't fix anything for those who has that problems. So this is the problem. So in my opinion, it is not that Xiaomi doesn't care about their users, but it is more like that they have too many things open, we can say, and so they can follow everything actually. Because for example, as I said before, on my phone, on my device, the Mi 11, the Xiaomi Mi 11, I just updated to the MIUI 13 and I didn't have any problems. But a lot of people have some issues and still someone didn't receive yet the MIUI 13. But actually there is another problem in the updates. So I did receive the MIUI 13, but if you watched my video, you know that it isn't actually the full MIUI 13, because all the feature, all the new stuff that they have announced at the Chinese presentation, I didn't got any of those. So I didn't got any new design, any new wallpaper. I think it's the most simple thing that you can add through a software update. And that's a small failure in my opinion, because if you do release an update, and this was a big update, because you bring Android 12 to your Xiaomi devices, but in the same time, you don't bring every feature that Android 12 has. And that's why I am a little bit disappointed, because I was expecting a big update. I mean, as I said, it is Android 12, so a lot of new feature and a lot of new design feature, but I didn't got any of this. And most of the people didn't got any of this because they just follow the China market, because they just follow first the China market and then probably, but you never know, then all of those features will come to the global version. And we are not sure about it. But here it is my other point on this video actually, because it is not only complaining about Xiaomi. I mean, mostly it is, but it is not only that. But the other point it is that Xiaomi in a few days, like in 3 days, so at the 15th of this month, they will announce the Xiaomi 12 outside China. So they will do a global presentation. And my guess is, I mean, more like my hope, it is that with the release of the new Xiaomi 12 in the global market, they will add every feature that they have in China also to the global market. So they will probably do a double release. So they will release the smartphone and actually the full update to the Android 12. So you will get maybe material, UI and super wallpaper and all of the new stuff, the widgets that they already got in the China version. So that is my guess, but I'm not sure of it. And actually, as I said before, it's more like an hope. And if they don't do that, I will be more disappointed actually, because they will probably let a lot of people down. And I mean, for me, it's not a big problem because my smartphone, it is working pretty good. I have no issue. I mean, my only problem, it is that I feel like I'm still using Android 11 on my phone, but other than that, I don't have any major issue. I don't have crashes. I don't have system slowdowns, but a lot of people does have these problems. So if they don't do an hotfix, an update or something like that, I mean, a lot of people are gonna be mad at Xiaomi, and I mean, it's understandable, but let's hope that they will release a full update and so an hotfix to all of these problems. But anyway, let's talk about the Xiaomi 12 like shortly before I end this video. And I don't know if I'm gonna get the Xiaomi 12. If you do wanna see it on this channel, just type it down below a comment, because it doesn't seem to me a very innovative phone. There's like other phones that are more interesting than the Xiaomi 12. And as I said at the beginning, I'm a little bit fan of Xiaomi, but this year I don't feel I will get any Xiaomi 12, at least since the Xiaomi 12 Ultra will come out, and that one probably will be very, very interesting, but we're talking about probably at the end of August or maybe September. We don't know yet. Anyway, we are gonna end this video here. Let me know down below in the comments what do you think about all of this Xiaomi situation and what is your opinion on that, of course. Then, if you like this video, just remember to hit a like down below and subscribe, because as I said before, we are now at 1,000 subscribers. And thank you again for showing some love towards this channel. It's very much appreciated by me, for real. And that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.